विदेश मंत्री एस जयशंकर ने कहा, मुझे लगता है कि जब भी प्रधानमंत्री विदेश जाते हैं, खासकर खाड़ी देशों में, तो आप अक्सर उन्हें किसी ऐसे शिविर का दौरा करते हुए देखते हैं जहां लोग काम कर रहे होते हैं। अक्सर यह कोई निर्माण स्थल या कोई बड़ा सेवा स्थल होता है, और जब यह सबसे ऊपर से शुरू होता है तो मुझे लगता है कि बाकी व्यवस्था को निश्चित रूप से संदेश मिल जाता है।
And sometimes it can be exhortative as well. We often today make it almost an SOP to visit labor camps. I mean, I think even when the Prime Minister goes abroad, particularly to the Gulf countries, you would often see him making it a point to actually visit a camp where people are working on site. Often it's a construction site or a big service site. And when that starts from the very top, I think the rest of the system certainly gets the message. And this combination, the combination of doing things physically, of using digital platforms. I spoke about grievances, even for consular services. When you live abroad, you need attestations of various kinds. You need people to certify documents of various kinds. Today we have a program called eSeva, where most people upload it online, they get their reply online. So the embrace of digital mediums, the creation of a physical infrastructure, the improvement of services, the motivation that is given, all of this today is actually preparing a global workforce. Now, having said that, things do go wrong, and one of them, unfortunately, are conflicts. So for a country today, which has really millions of people working abroad, we cannot afford to be impassive or agnostic when there is a conflict.